Hey there, today I will show you how to get a Discord token. And here's how. In this video, I will explain how to locate your Discord token on the desktop. For those who are unfamiliar, a Discord token is a unique identifier that is provided to you when you register an account on Discord. It is not the same as your username, password, or tag. However, in essence, anyone who possesses this token can access your account. Therefore, it is critical that you maintain it secure and private and prevent anybody else from obtaining it. You must first log into your Discord account using Google Chrome or another browser. Do not log in via the Discord app. For this, I will be using Google Chrome. So after you log in, click the three dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome. You will see a long list of alternatives when you click down, and you can scroll down to uncover more tools. And when you click on the developer tools, a number of additional options will appear. From there, locate the application button by going to the top. If it isn't there, it is likely hidden. To find the application button, click on these arrows here and scroll down. When you click the down arrow, it will take you here, and you can find the local storage icon over on the left. The Discord URL will appear, and clicking on it will take you to the top of the screen where you may enter a token in the filter area. From there, you can click the toggle device toolbar at the top. And once you click it, it will only display your token here. You can then copy and paste it by pressing the Command C key, pasting it wherever you may possibly write it down or remember. And to exit the developer tools, just click the X on the right side of the screen. It will then dismiss for you. That is how getting your Discord key is really easy. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.